This video was brought to you by Elbilmek, ABRP, Stormberg, Kempower and Bilkomponenter.
Yo, what's up? We're still at the Oslo Motor Show and I have to show you guys something. This is electric. It's Dongfeng M-Hero. It's like a tank. It's massive. Let me see if I can get on that side. No, they'll just hang out there. Okay, let's do it on this side. Okay, if you press here, it's gonna honk at you, but if you press here, look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Oh, what the heck, man? Then it opens. Look at it. The hinge is on the outside. Huh? I'm thinking Hummer, electric Hummer. But what the heck? Look at this. You can step in here. You have, okay, controls here. You can see here. Everything has been thought of. You've got on the roof here. Put some stuff there. Wow, wow. This is a proper tank. Let me just close it. Geländewagen, go home. Okay, no, I was just kidding. But look here. Okay, look at this. Hey, is this a gear selector? It looks like a airplane cockpit. It's insane. What is this? Is that diff lock? Oh, snow, mud, sand, rock, wade. Oh yeah, we're gonna go into wade mode. 12-volt outlet there. Yeah. Manual. Oh, look at that. There's some off-roading settings here. Plenty of off-roading settings here. Yeah. Big screen. Can it be adjusted? I'm not sure. Screen here. Wow, this thing is massive. Oh, that's a part. Okay, I don't know what to do. Oh, here, you see. The M-Hero. Okay, trying to open. What is this? Oh, wow. Oh, okay, it has this also. You can open for the HVAC to come in here so you can cool the thing. This is massive. I've never seen center console so big before, and it's also illuminated. And then let's check here. Wow, everything just looks so nice. Huh? I have to go on the other side, but let's just show from this side. Wow. Okay, let's open on this side. Yeah, and then the step up comes up, and then you step on it, and then you hold there. So naturally, everything has been thought of. Yeah, and then we can close here. But you see, the car is on right now. I pressed the button here. I'm not sure where the heck it was. There. We have night vision. Huh? Look at that. So there's some guys over there, right? We just enter Alien, and then we enter Predator mode now. This car is just insane. It is insane. Wait, is this? Whoa, whoa! Sending data to China. No, I don't want to send data to China. You can choose. Why not? Wow, man, this thing is just like a tank. Okay, and then let me see. Just check here. We have buttons here. There's some buttons here. They feel nice to touch. Yeah, I can't believe that this is a Chinese car because it just looks and feels so great. There's also British design. We have some stuff you can put in there, but it's really hard to access it. And then headroom, oh, okay, I'm still 173 centimeters. I have just barely a fist of clearance, but it should be enough, right? Well, look here, click. Oh, what is that, 10 FPS? Huh? Are you running on 286 CPU? Oh, this is super sluggish. Whoa, what the heck, man? And the back seat, oh, same here. You see, naturally I would grab for this when I climb up on this truck. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Ooh, a proper big center console with cup holder there, a screen here. There, look at that. There's a screen there. There's a freaking screen there. A table here, of course. Wow. Where are the USB? I have to check USB. Should be here. There. One USB-A, one USB-C, and then a little pocket there for storing your stuff. But let me check here. How much space do you have here? I can put the feet there. It doesn't have the highest seating height. Okay, headroom. But it seems like I'm reclined. Yeah, look here. We have buttons here. I can go more up. Whoa. How much up can you go here? I think you're supposed to fold the seat with this. But then let's test then. How much down can you go? Oh wow, that is super comfy. Yeah, like you're riding a truck, and I don't mind sitting in the back. It is really comfortable with plenty of legroom here. And what the heck? You can adjust it down. Yeah, the cushion can go down and up, but it cannot go forward and back. Not sure how that works. And then you can recline here in the charge port. Oh, I wonder if, yeah. There's typically a button here. When you press it on the outside, you trigger the button. So this is usually what I see in the Chinese car. They have butt plugs here. So this is actually it's actually an EU spec car. Huh? Is it going to come to Europe? Is it going to come to Norway? M-Hero? What? Okay, let me check it. And then we open here. Oh, sorry. Huh? Is it supposed to be a spare wheel here? Because this is not round. It's rectangular. Oh, it's a cargo box. It's not a spare wheel box. Okay. Wow. I wonder how many banana boxes I can fit in here. I suppose at least 10. And then look here. We have shuku, and then a regular 12-volt outlet. What? Some pockets? Huh? Wait, does it seem like we can have a third row? No, that can't be it. We have subwoofer here. We have, of course, you can of course lower and can we work? Does it work now? No. I'm not sure what all this is, but yeah, it's plenty of space. Do we have space under here? Oh, we do. There's also a tiny bit of space there. Okay. Yeah. All right. Let's leave it there. But yeah, man, what a car. Okay, let's close it again. And you know, unlike the Mercedes G580 Geländewagen, you cannot tow anything with the Mercedes because the car is just too heavy. Here, you can actually tow 2.5 tons, but you just need the C1 driver's license. And it also has rear wheel steering, so you can almost drive it sideways. Here we see that's 1,088 horsepower. What? That's even more than Plaid. 1,400 Newton meter, 4.2. This is some insane numbers. 142 kilowatt hour. And the range, okay, well, it is what it is, right? I have some warranties. You can also go, there's a website, you can check it out also. M-Hero.no, at least in Norway. I'm not sure about other countries. But yeah, they take orders already. They start selling them. And the press cars are also supposedly ready. And you know, earlier this week, I test drove the Mercedes G580 Geländewagen. And we went on off-road and everything, right? So, but the Geländewagen compared to this M-Hero, I mean, the Geländewagen just looks like a I don't know what you call it, a school runner, or you know, this is the proper off-road vehicle. Sorry, there's just so many people here, but you know, it has quad motors. It can do the tank turn, of course. It is just a proper off-road vehicle. Yeah, and also the weird thing is that this cost only 1.6. I don't know how much was it again. Roughly 1.6 million NOK. It's cheaper than the Geländewagen, you know, and it can tow 2,500 kilograms. Okay, the vehicle itself is so heavy that you need to have a C1 driver's license to drive it. But eventually there's going to be an M-Hero 2 that is lighter, that will be able to fit within the B license plate, driver's license. But wow, wait. It means that I cannot test it. I don't have the driver's license for it. Oh, well, that's a bummer. Yeah. Okay, anyway, I think that's going to be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.